Hey, DJ Angelo here and welcome to lesson number 6 of DJ Pro AI on your smartphone. One of the most impressive features of this software is Neural Mix, an AI technology that can separate vocals, drums and instruments from any track in real time. Before I demonstrate Neural Mix, let me quickly run through the tracks and cue points I have assigned. On deck 1 I have Climb to Power from our previous lesson, and on deck 2 I have Do We from the Dancehall playlist. For this track I have the intro assigned to cue point 1,
it's your official mix, baby.
As well as the start cue.
It's your official mix, baby.
I have the opening chorus assigned to cue point 2.
Do we fall in love?
I have the phrase ooh la 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 assigned to cue point 3.
Ooh la 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 la.
And finally the second chorus is assigned to cue point 4.
Do we fall in love?
So to show you what Neural Mix can do, I'm going to play track B from cue point 4 and access the Neural Mix panel.
Do we fall in love?
I now have control over which elements of the song I want to hear. For example, I can fade the drums.
So do we fall in love again and again?
The harmonics.
Young boy, come in my condo. I'll be your queen, babe. You run my kingdom.
Or the vocals.
Come in my condo. I'll be your queen, babe.
I can also solo them independently with their dedicated solo buttons. And I can even blend elements of track A into track B and transition between them at a much higher degree than with EQs.
But bring it one time. Do we fall in love again and again? Yeah, yeah. So do we fall in love again and again?
This is what it is, that's all there ever was. Do it for the love, never did it just because. True fam shit, thicker than the blood, with the spirit that awakes in the rhythm of the drum. An art form deemed ignorant by some, cause people never wanna listen to the young. Before they judge the music first, and act like none of this is going on inside your universe. Please look up from your machine.
For convenience when using another performance panel or layout, Neural Mix can also be accessed in a simplified version at the bottom of the interface. This 2-channel filter version allows you to instantly play everything except the vocals, or only the vocals, and by tapping the drop-down menu, you can also choose to solo just the drums, or everything but the drums. A really cool feature that allows you to mix in ways that were never possible before. So have fun experimenting and I'll see you in the next lesson.